Hi, I'm Sienna Crossman with New Home Lifestyles. We're taking a look at the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Woodstock, Georgia with Beazer Homes, taking a look at the Mountain Park Overlook community. We're going to take a tour of the Brentwood plan. Let's get started.
Welcome! We're here in beautiful Mountain Park Overlook today. My name is Hillary Grueling and I'm with Beazer Homes. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of our Brentwood. You ready to take a look?
Great, let's take a tour.
All right. We'll take a moment just to have a look here at this wraparound porch, which is an included feature on all of our Brentwood homes. From here, we'll take a look inside. This Brentwood features a 5th bedroom. This is on the main living level of your home. With a full bath. If we didn't build it out with this option, it would have come with a study and a powder room. From here, the foyer opens up into an oversized great room featuring a standard fireplace, and you'll notice off the back the extremely private, mature wooded view. And most of our home sites here offer these views. Heading into the kitchen space, you'll notice the oversized breakfast area, as well as the center kitchen island. Every home in Mountain Park Overlook has included Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, 42-inch upper cabinets, as well as crown molding. And you do have your option of included level of granite, but of course you can upgrade beyond. Another thing that's so interesting about Beazer is how they have married like custom architectural features into our plans that are no additional cost to our customers. And what I'm talking about is choice plans. That gives the customer the choice to personalize the most used spaces in their home. For instance, the kitchen. So this is choice option A, where the kitchen is off the back of the home. Here we move to your oversized pantry, as well as your garage entry point. You'll notice on the side there the stop and drop, which is a feature that we've built into every Beazer home. Keeps you organized, keeps your family on track, and everything kind of up and out of your way. From here, we're going to head into the formal dining area. It's a beautiful open space. And now I'd like to show you the upstairs. These beautiful oak treads and painted risers are an included feature here on all of our homes at Mountain Park Overlook. This is the first of 3 secondary bedrooms on the 2nd level, and this has its own full bath as well. I'm standing in the heart of the upstairs. This room offers a unique space to be used as a secondary gathering room, or if you wanted to outfit it as a movie space as well. This bedroom is the first of two that are connected. They share the Jack and Jill bathroom. You'll notice they are very comfortably sized with wonderful window placement for that natural light. One of the things I love the most about this plan is the fact that the laundry room is nestled between all of the bedrooms up here. And it actually connects to the master bath, keeping you guys on track and organized at all times. Moving into the grand master suite. With the master bedroom located off the back, you'll notice those beautiful treetop views again. Here's the first of two oversized closets for this master bedroom. This is the spectacular master bathroom the Brentwood offers. And this is showcasing our choice layout option A, where you have a separate tub and shower. If you went with option B, you would have a huge oversized shower only. Thank you so much for your time today. I really enjoyed taking you through the Brentwood. What other questions can I answer for you?
Can you tell us more about Beazer's surprising performance and mortgage choices?
Absolutely. So Beazer really prides itself on their high caliber construction process. In addition to that, we use a third-party vendor to inspect all of our homes, and we are Energy Star certified as well. For mortgage choices, we are the largest builder in the nation that does not have an in-house lender. So what that means for our customers is we vet the top lenders to compete for your business. We're on the same side of the table when it comes to that.
Great.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
If you want to learn more about this new home plan, be sure to check out the link below. Thanks for watching and keep tuning in for more new home showcases.